For more than a century, the world has depended on vehicles to keep us moving. And from the beginning, Bridgestone has been there, engineering some of the greatest achievements in tire technology all along the way. As our world has evolved, so has commercial transportation, becoming a key lifeline for our society. But every fleet vehicle on the road continues to face the same challenges. Unexpected downtime due to tire failures and loss of efficiency due to improperly maintained traditional tires. Today, all that changes. Bridgestone Airfree introduces one of the world's first air-free systems designed to run on Class 8 vehicles. What was once deemed impossible is now becoming a reality thanks to our advanced air-free design. This innovative design not only eliminates issues associated with air pressure maintenance, but also downtime caused by flat tires. Today, the world depends on commercial fleets to move goods faster, more efficiently, and more sustainably. Bridgestone Airfree is engineered to perform unlike any tire before it to help ensure the fleets of tomorrow perform better than ever before. The time has come for the tire industry to transform. It's time to keep the world moving with the next generation of tires. The innovative new Bridgestone Airfree, an advanced solution built for today's needs and engineered for the demands of tomorrow. Bridgestone, solutions for your journey.